Welcome to our channel. Today we how to send money on PayPal. Step-by-step payment guide step-by-step clearly. Open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal.com on your computer. Tap Login and enter your email address or mobile number and your password. If you do not have an account, tap Sign Up first and complete the basic registration. Make sure your email address is confirmed so your account can send payments smoothly. From the home screen, select Send or Send in Request. In the search bar, type the recipient's email address, mobile number, or PayPal username. Double-check that the recipient details are correct to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Tap Next or continue to move to the payment screen. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the currency shown. Choose what the payment is for, such as sending to a friend or paying for an item or service. Select Friends and Family only if you personally know the recipient and no goods or services are involved. Select Goods and Services if you are paying a seller, because it can include purchase protection where available. Add a short note like what the payment is for, such as invoice number or product name. Tap on the funding source to choose how you want to pay. Pick PayPal balance if you already have enough money in your PayPal account. Pick a linked bank account if you prefer a direct bank payment. Pick a debit or credit card if you want to pay by card and review any fees that may apply. If you do not see your preferred method, go to Wallet and link a bank or card first. Review the recipient, amount, payment type, and funding source on the confirmation screen. Check the fee line if it appears, because fees can vary by country and payment type. If PayPal asks for your shipping address, confirm it only when paying for goods that need delivery. For security, complete any verification prompt like a one-time code or biometric confirmation. Tap Send Now or Pay Now to submit the payment. Wait for the confirmation message that the payment was sent successfully. Tap View Details to see the transaction status and the exact time and reference number. If the payment shows pending or unclaimed, confirm the recipient email and cancel if necessary from the transaction details. To keep records, you can download a receipt or take a screenshot of the transaction page. If you sent money by mistake, use the transaction page to contact the recipient or open a resolution case when eligible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.